The path to prosperity, building a rich and developed nation. A country's journey towards becoming rich and developed is like a complex puzzle with many interdependent pieces. It requires a combination of factors, including strong governance, investment in education and infrastructure, fostering innovation, and promoting international trade. In this video, we will explore these key elements in simple English words, highlighting how they contribute to the economic growth and development of a nation. 1. Good governance. At the foundation of a prosperous nation lies good governance. This entails transparency, accountability, and the rule of law. A government that is free from corruption and ensures the equitable distribution of resources can inspire confidence in both domestic and foreign investors. Additionally, a stable political environment promotes long-term planning and provides the necessary framework for economic growth. 2. Investment in education. Education is the cornerstone of progress. By investing in quality education, a country equips its citizens with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in a competitive global economy. This includes not only basic literacy and numeracy but also vocational training and higher education. An educated workforce enhances productivity, fuels innovation, and attracts foreign investment. 3. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure acts as the backbone of economic development. Building and maintaining robust transportation networks, including roads, railways, and ports, facilitates the movement of goods and people, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Similarly, investing in reliable energy and communication systems strengthens a nation's ability to connect with the rest of the world and attract businesses. 4. Fostering innovation. Innovation drives economic growth and competitiveness. Encouraging research and development, promoting entrepreneurship, and protecting intellectual property rights are crucial steps towards fostering innovation. By creating an environment that rewards creativity and risk-taking, a country can attract talented individuals and nurture homegrown industries. 5. Promoting international trade. Engaging in international trade opens doors to new markets and opportunities. By reducing trade barriers, such as tariffs and quotas, a country can increase its export potential and attract foreign direct investment. Participating in global value chains enables countries to specialize in their areas of comparative advantage, leading to increased productivity and economic diversification. Achieving wealth and development is a complex and multifaceted process. It requires a combination of good governance, investment in education and infrastructure, fostering innovation, and promoting international trade. These elements work in synergy to create an environment that attracts investment, enhances productivity, and encourages entrepreneurship. While each country's path to prosperity may differ, the fundamental principles outlined in this video clip provide a roadmap for nations aspiring to become rich and developed.